Mystic signals, roots of the rainforest. Every morning, Zoya runs, trying to make her Olympic team her dream. Her grandfather is her coach and her guide to the old ways. As they stretch and pace through the Amazon trails, he teaches her the rhythm of their land, the stories of the forest, and the respect it once commanded. One morning, the forest speaks, a glowing vision, part light, part leaf, beckons her through the trees. Zoya is stunned first, but follows the vision. The mystic figure disappears, and Zoya finds what the vision wanted her to see, a sacred part of the river, poisoned with debris, plastic, oil. An egret caught in the netting, screeching for help. She frees it, heart heavy. She notices a turbulence nearby, a wooden piece with an ancient carving, glowing, calling. Water is swirling around the symbol, leaves are falling all over, and Zoya wades the tide and grabs it. Zoya doesn't understand what she is supposed to do with this carving. She takes it to her grandfather. Back home, he opens an old diary. The carving matches an Icaro, a forest song once sent down rivers as a prayer. Zoya brings him to the place where she got the wooden symbol. This is important, Zoya. You are beckoned to do something, but I don't know what. Zoya goes to the same place where she saw the mystic figure, hoping to seek guidance. The mystic, who looks like Gaia, Mother Earth herself, appears. Zoya, wondering, what should I do? Gaia doesn't speak. Go north, it seems like saying. That night, her grandfather shows his books. They find an old diary with the Icaro carving inside. He whispers, "North of us is an abandoned school in the old village. We will go there." The diary Earth speaks flutters, as if to say yes. A shimmering glow leads her to this part of the old school building. She feels the locker 111 calling to her. She nears it cautiously. The glow fades. She knows what she is expected to do. Keeps the wooden carving and the Earth Speaks diary inside. Closes the locker 111, turns back and walks away, saying, "Till next time." Zoya returns to her path, running harder, running wiser. One day, when she stands on the world stage, she will speak for the forest. She will run for the earth. End of season 1. Thank you for watching.